Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP, NY, and Spire, and I can show you how to disable sounds, how to enable sounds, or how to change the sounds volume on this device. First, you need to open the settings, then scroll down. You need to find preferences, then scroll down and find here sound effect volume. And here we have several types of this setting. So mute, so if you will choose mute, you will disable sounds. You can click normal, or you can choose loud. And now, as you can see, it's really loud. So I want to use, for example, mute mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.